Hi, and thanks for joining me today. Today's video is about trying to fix my Karcher pressure washer. So first of all, the problem. Okay, so straight away I've got water leaking out of the bottom, and when I switch it on, the motor runs straight away without me activating the switch, which should initiate the start of the water. So there's a leak in there somewhere, so what I'm going to do is take it apart and then investigate and see what I can do to fix it. So I've taken the hose off, and there's 6 screws that hold the 2 shells together. So first of all, I'm just going to take those off. Okay, you're going to need this star-shaped drive. Put a long extension on the drill as well to get into the deep recesses. So this is going to allow me to take the 2 clamshells apart. Just need to undo another one a little bit more. There we go. There's the 2 clamshells free. Here's the first one, put that aside. So let's have a look what we've got inside. Here's the main pressure washer. This is what takes in the water, raises the pressure, takes the water from here. This pushes it out through the gun here, and in order to detach this, all you need to do is to raise this grey lock-in mechanism here. Just gently raise it with a screwdriver, and then this just simply pulls out. Okay, so you can see it's got a rectangular shape and it fits into the rectangular hole there, so push that down. So just a look at the inside again. I just take this away gently. There's a wire, so I don't want to detach this wire here, so I'm just going to take it away gently. Okay, so let's have a look and see what's going on when I attach water pressure to it. Okay, now I've got the internal components apart. I've reattached the pressure hose gun. I'm going to turn the water on from just mains pressure and see if I can see any leaks. Okay, straight away I've got the problem. And so this component here, I've got a split, and you can clearly see the water coming out of there, and that's where the problem lies. Okay, so I've got to take this component off. First thing I'm going to do is disconnect the pressure hose again. So just move that grey lock-in attachment away, pull out the hose as before. So it's now very simple to remove this component. Move it through 90 degrees and it just pulls off. And there you go. So I can't see any split there, but obviously under pressure the water will find its way out if there is a split. So there is the number. See if I can get it highlighted. Well, these will be different for whichever Karcher you've got potentially, so don't use this as a reference if yours has got a similar problem. So what I'm going to do now is see if I can find a new one of these and then fit it back on and see if it fixed the problem. So the new component has arrived. So putting it on is just the reverse of how we took it off. So here is the motor. So here's the new component. Putting it on is just the reverse. Line it up. Move through 90 degrees. Now it's locked in place. So just in here there's a couple of locating lugs and they sit into these recesses in the shell. So that's nicely in there, all lined up. One thing to watch out for as you line it up, make sure that you engage the switch mechanism correctly. It can go two ways, it can go that way or that way, and obviously the switch will move around as well, so just line it up correctly. Ease it back in. Make sure those lugs are engaged, and now I can put the two clamshells together. This little pipe engages with this attachment here, and this is so that you can put soap in with the wash. I don't generally use it, so I've tucked it out of the way, and now it's just a matter of marrying up the two sides. All nicely put together again. Now it's just a matter of tightening the 6 screws. Just a matter of testing it now to make sure that it still works. I've turned the mains water on and can't see any leaks there, which is a good sign. Now when I turn the power on, there should be a little burst of power and then it should stop. If it keeps going, I've got a problem. Okay, there's my burst of power. So that's a good sign. All I need now is for this to operate when I pull the trigger and stop when I release it. Okay, that seems to have fixed it. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you found this useful.